telling you, when I get rid of these circle hooks, I'm never putting another circle hook on a line ever again, I'll tell you that. Look, already hitting it. See that? See how fast she's hitting that? Quick. Yeah, I really never had any good luck with circle hooks. You miss so many fish, you lose so many fish. Just the way it is. I'm just gonna be out here for about, I don't know, a little while, just a little bit. Bypass a little bit of time. Get a little friendship for you guys. You guys can laugh at me about the circle hooks. Oh, there's a frog right in front of me. Use that for bait. He's watching. He's just sitting right there watching. And if you think I'm joking, I ain't joking. Look. See that? Oh, he was. Right there he is. Boom. I don't need to joke. That's a big one too. He's big. Hey, Froggy. Damn. Oh man, we just fell out of a chair. Oh. Wow. What happened to my chair? We got mud all over my hands. Wow, what are we doing? The chair just... Wow. You think I'm joking? Look. Bad shape. It's part of fishing, ain't it? Can't believe it. The chair did that. Bring any boots. I am not prepared whatsoever. Well, thank you. Yeah, we fell out of the chair. What the heck is that?